Welcome to GrabGuidance online education platform. In this tutorial video, we will guide you how to create an expert profile. Just go to www.grabguidance.com and on the home page, you will see expert account. Just click on that. Enter your registered mobile number and click on login. Enter the OTP which you have received on your registered number. Here is the dashboard. As you can see, you need to fill all the details. Here is the first page, that is profile details. You can just scroll down, enter your details here, address, pin code, city. Always upload your fresh picture and you can just click on save and next. In education and experience, you can mention your qualification, experience and total years of experience. In service offerings, just click on which classes or courses you will be able to guide to students and just click on save and next. Here is the availability and fee. You can just scroll on the right hand side if you want to increase the price, and here you can mention your time availability from Monday to Sunday. Just click on the save and next. And in last listing details page, just add something, maybe 1 or 2 lines about yourself, languages which you are proficient in. If you can teach specially abled students, just click on that. And always upload your ID proof and do save and exit. All these details in 5 pages are necessary, and after your submission you will wait for the approval. And if you want to log out, just click on this drop down arrow and click on log out. Thank you for watching GrabGuidance tutorial video.